Hey guys, these workflows are MasterCard for us and UK businesses as it states. WF1 WhatsApp bot £97 to £147. Build a 24/7 AI WhatsApp support bot free with n8n plus Groq. WF2 appointments £47 to £67. Stop no-shows. Automatic reminder system in n8n. WF3 Stripe onboarding £47 to £67. Stripe payment right pointing arrow instant welcome email in 15 minutes. WF4 newsletter £37 to £57. AI writes and sends your newsletter every week automatically. WF5 leave approval £67 to £97. HR leave request system. Manager approves by clicking email. Full bundle £197 to £247. 5 workflows that run your business. Full bundle. Get full bundle or support a visit provided link, and for discount visit our Gmail and subscribe this channel for more.